So today we got this supply from one of our customer. You can see how clean and neat this red bottle is. Look at it. See? You can see how clean and neat it is, right? So many people are going into this pen recycling business. If you really want to make money, you should go into this business and stop waiting for government to give you a job. You create job from this business. You can create job. You can create opportunity. You can see different types of different types of containers. So what's your excuse of not going into the pet recycling business? You can see the green pet bottles being dealt differently. See it there? Neatly done. And this is the white one. So you don't have any excuse of not going into the business. If you are interested in learning more about pet recycling business, you need to learn from an expert who knows the do's and don'ts of the business. If you are interested in learning from us, we have our online course which we teach our students on how to go about the buying, supplying, and everything they need to know about pet recycling business. So if you are really interested in learning and turning trash to wealth, enroll on our online course. If you are far from Benin, but if you are close to Benin, you can enroll on our physical course one-on-one with Freddy. So if you want to have a course one-on-one with me, you can enroll on our physical course and then come to the company here, and we'll teach you everything you need to know and be successful in the business, so you can start turning trash to cash. Thank you, and see you in the next video.